Good morning and welcome back to our channel. This morning I got a little help coming. Chris is showing up and we're going to start putting the plates down on all the walls where the anchor bolts are. We'll have to clean it all off, and the plates consist of it's actually 3/4 by 7.5 pressure treated plate, which is going to go on, and then out of the pile of timbers there are 4x8s which is going to sit on top of that, and we're going to do the mortises for the timber frame posts be mortised into the 4x8s. So that's what we're up against. It's cloudy today, overcast, so that's good. It won't be so hot, and we're gonna get to it. All right, stay tuned. All right, I'm just squaring the ends up of these pieces, and then I laid them on the foundation and marked out for the anchor bolt. All right, that's the first. There's another plate going on top of this. It's a 4x8. Oh, that'll be perfect. The outsides of these walls are perfectly straight, so I'm not snapping a line or anything in the inside. This really is just a barn. And I'm not going to use sill seal or anything else because it's a barn. I'm not going crazy with air penetration because I want the barn to breathe, because we've got animals inside, so I don't mind a little air movement. So I'm just going to put this on, keep working my way around. All right, Chris is putting down the last bit of this layer, and then we're on to the 4x8. So we got all the PT down. Hopefully the only lumber I ever have to buy for the barn, and it killed me to buy it. You can see we started getting the plates on. Oh, a piece of paper, I gotta go grab that. And doing the mortises for the future posts. So we're starting to work our way around. Yeah, stay tuned. stuff that needs chiseling. Hopefully we have enough. Well, it's been a surprisingly hot day, or I guess I'm just not used to the heat yet. I think it's in the 80s. But Chris and I worked all day and we got both plates down. We got the pressure treated one down and the 4x8, and they're all bolted in place and they're all mortised for the posts. I'm gonna have to go around and check every one, but Chris did all the mortising. He did an excellent job and I'm thrilled. I didn't think we'd get it all done today. So that is the first wooden part of the barn. Keep working on the barn, and I can't wait for parts to start going up. It looks amazing. All right, I'm going in because I'm cooked for the day. All right, thanks for watching.